Hi Taurus, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Taurus, this reading is for the month of March 2021. What are the messages for Taurus? Guys, this is a general reading, so please take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't, because may not resonate with each one of you. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Oopsie. Okay. Card at the bottom of the deck is the Hermit card, Taurus. Wow. Okay. Taurus, heavy energies from the past. People who you had a relationship with, a person, obviously, but because I'm talking in plural, because of so many of you out there. Uh, Taurus, you were in love with somebody. There was some kind of partnership. Could be a Gemini person that you were dealing with. And for some reason, one of you or both of you had to walk out of this relationship because things did not work out. And that has somewhat pushed you in hermit mode. You're isolated, you wanted time to think about things, take care of yourself and your mental health and your emotional well being. Taurus, but I am getting signs that this person, whoever you were dealing with, is coming back into your life. You are manifesting them and manifesting a newer version of them. Whatever they were in the past, they're no longer that. They are better. They're an updated version of themselves without any bugs. Things are turning in your favor. You're manifesting everything that you truly deserve, Taurus. And the six of the lovers, that is the sixth card in the major arcana, is clarified by the six of pentacles. And this definitely proves that somebody wants to give you a new beginning. They want to give themselves a chance to prove to you that they are worthy of your love, Taurus, and whatever happened in the past shouldn't have happened. But nevertheless, now that it's happened, they just want to move ahead with you. They could communicate with you, and they may come across as overly practical, but don't fall for that, Taurus, because deep down they're really emotional, they're anxious, they can't concentrate on their life because they are thinking about you and how to contact you. They may put up a false front, a facade, a strong facade that, okay, fine. If Taurus agrees, great. If not, fine, I'll move on. But that's not the case, Taurus. Deal with them with a balance of practicality and emotions, because they will show you a like 100% practicality. You may not like it, but I'm telling you, they feel your absence and they miss you, Taurus. Justice is being served. You're going to get what you want, Taurus. It's going to be better than what you lost because they really miss you. Eight of Cups twice, Wheel of Fortune twice, Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Yes. Yeah. They want to communicate with you. They are so unhappy with the way things ended. And now I'm getting that this was their fault. They walked out on this relationship while you were waiting. You wanted to make it work, but they just didn't give you a chance and they left. They're coming back now. But are you still going to be there for them? Are you going to be there after they broke your heart, Taurus? They see you, Taurus, and they see how beautiful you've become and how gracefully you've handled this and yourself and your life and how you shine, Taurus. Because when somebody doesn't have malice in their heart, when they intentionally make it a point to not hurt people, even if they're the ones who get run over by people's intentions, those pure souls always get everything that they deserve because they've served their karma. And now it's time to reap the fruit of their labor. Things are turning in your favor, Taurus. You've got the Wheel of Fortune twice, and this makes me so emotional right now. Numbers 6, 7, 3, 20, 10, 8 are very important, even 4 for some of you. So keep a lookout for those numbers. 9 is also important. Yes, you might feel Queen of Cups twice. Beautiful energies. Queen of Air. Yes. Taurus, you might feel a little confused about whether or not to give this person another chance because, of course, you are an emotional person. You love this person, but you can't really forget what they did to you. You remember the pain. Even though you've let go of the event, the horrors that took place, you remember how they humiliated your emotions. And I don't know if you're going to give them another chance, Taurus. Do you? Are you going to give them another chance? Let's see some extra messages for you. These may or may not be directly related to the tarot. Oh, 18. Number 10 could be important. You could have a pet. Number 18 could also be important. Taurus, loyalty is a big criteria for you. You were loyal in any kind of relationship, whether it's friendship or relationship with your parents or romantic relationships, anything and everything. And I feel you are attracting a loyal partner. And I hope it happens fast. You could have a pet, or someone you are attracting has a pet. The past person might have a pet. Get more information. These are all extra messages. If you had a question about something that could be answered with this card, about getting more information, then I guess this is it. Let go of stress. Don't take on other people's stress. Breathe it out now. What doesn't serve you shouldn't be inside your head. Vulnerability, number 34, could be important. You need to rest, meditate, and strengthen your core mentally. Physically, yes, but mentally also. Because when people from the past return, you might be thrown off balance and you don't want that, Taurus. So get your armor on. Baby steps, take action, follow your intuition before it even makes sense. Never underestimate your gut feeling because that's your higher self guiding you, Taurus. Never push it away. Those are warning signs, red flags. Always pay attention to those. Communication is key. Gemini could be important. It's time to release negativity, let go of stress, end of a tough cycle approaches. What do you need to release? Oh my god. So many cards that are asking you to release something. Emotions are running high. As I mentioned, people coming in and out of your lives at their convenience may push you off balance. So take care of yourself. The answers you need are coming. Gemini is an important sign. Scorpio, Capricorn could be important as well. You've got one new moon and two full moons. Today is also a full moon in the sign of Virgo. Virgo could be important to you. Take care of yourself, Scorpio. Oh, not Scorpio, sorry, Taurus. Wow, Cancer got the exact same card. I'm unapologetic about what I desire and trust that what I focus on will grow. Energy flows where the intention goes, Taurus. I am going to be dedicating this beautiful Lapis Lazuli download to you so that you can download all the happiness, strength, and kindness into your life. And I hope you take care of yourself, Taurus, because you need nothing but the best because you deserve it. Take care, guys. I hope you like this reading. Bye.